it?
Yep.
Pull it down.
Pull
that
that down.
disengages it and carry the weight down.
Hello friends, today we are going to look into the topic all-electric airplane you can buy now. Aren't you excited to hear about the topic I just mentioned? Let's begin with the definition of what an all-electric plane means. Electric aircrafts are those that can fly without the aid of any fuel. They are fully driven by parts that are electrical in nature. Well, electric aircrafts are propelled by using the power of the electric batteries, which will lessen the carbon dioxide emissions into the atmosphere, which is the end goal of most companies. But there are some companies still perceiving it as a mere technological improvement on protecting the environment from carbon emissions. It is said that 2% of carbon emissions is from the vehicles that carry us around. So don't you think that needs to be taken care of? That's why most of the aviation companies leap forward with the idea of electric aircrafts. The idea of electric aircrafts was here from the 1970s or earlier, which means that the electric aircrafts were here long ago. The electric aircrafts that are developed now are mainly two-seaters that can make you and your friend fly for about 90 minutes without having to use a single drop of fuel. Interesting, isn't it? Such a plane made a trial run in the French Alps last year, and the plane was developed by Aviation, a Slovenian-based aviation company. This plane weighed around 811 pounds and was carrying a 21 kilowatt-hour battery pack, which could keep the plane flying in the air for around 1 hour. This airplane consumes less energy compared to the fuel-induced aircrafts, but the problem that experts shows us is that the batteries don't fit in the wing just like fuel engine do, which makes the design of electric planes even more complicated. And another drawback is that the planes will weigh the same even when the battery is low. But in the case of a fuel engine, the plane will feel lighter when it's low in quantity. Major industry officials and plane makers are working on commercializing electric airplanes a reality. The aviation industry has planned to commercialize electric planes so that everybody who has a pilot license can fly. Let's understand some facts about certain electric aircraft designed by various companies. First up is Vahana. Vahana is a plane and is a product of a cube that can carry passengers or a cargo within city limits. It has 4 engines. Vahana comes with a technology that can navigate the complex urban environment. And the next is City Airbus. It is well suited for urban usage since it has the advantage of vertical landing and takeoff, just like Vahana. The capacity of City Airbus is up to 4 passengers. Its low noise makes it compete with traditional taxis. This company works parallel for their longer aim of developing fully electric airliners. Then the last electric airliner that we are going to see is Xenom Aero. It is a Seattle-based startup where Boeing has invested and promising like door-to-door air travel. It has a place in the upcoming wave of electric aircrafts. Now that we have discussed about certain electric aircrafts and their speciality, the more electric aircraft, the MEA trend is beginning to evolve the plane system by replacing the mechanical, hydraulic, and pneumatic ones with electric propulsion. The interesting fact is that for $140,000, we can own an airplane which is electric made. A breakthrough has happened recently. A French startup called Volt Aero is all set to release the 9-seater airplane. Casio 2 combines 2 leading aerodynamics and electric hybrid propulsion to make it much quieter and greener than conventional aircrafts. Boti, the founder of Volt Aero, says adding sustainability to aviation will be key to its future. The Casio models are cheaper to operate compared to other aircrafts in the industry. They are designed to fly up to 3.5 hours in a stretch. John Boti, who previously worked with Airbus and GM, says that for a quieter and efficient aircraft, a perfectly designed airframe is not enough. The company Volt Aero is looking to design various configurations from mild hybrid to all-electric. From this what I understood that you have so many varied designs of electric aircrafts, and that too made by different companies. So many of the electric aircrafts are getting near commercialization in the future. Like electric cars are available for common men soon, there will also be commercialized electric planes. It is said that if commercial planes that are jet fuel continues to fly by 2050, 24% of the carbon emissions will be caused by airplanes alone. By 2030, 180-seater will all be set to take flight, according to reports. Anyway, that's all for today, and let me wind up this session. Thanks for watching till the end of the video, and wait for more videos like this to be uploaded. Until we meet again, bye!